Andy, the chiropractor for AG2R. You're Australian, you're not French.
No, I'm Australian, and I look after these guys when they come over for the tour down under. A fantastic bunch of guys, really keen and really switched on to performance within themselves, and I love that. As a chiropractor, I often try to educate people as to how important the spine is as far as performance is concerned. These guys roll up to Adelaide already knowing how important that is, and so it's really refreshing for me. Yesterday,
a bad crash coming down from the corkscrew. A few of the lads got tangled up in there.
Yes, a really bad crash. In actual fact, good part is there's no brakes, there's just a bit of ligamentous damage, but we worked fairly furiously last night on them to fashion them back into some sort of material today, so we hope that they're going to be out there performing well.
What sort of problems do you encounter after a crash like that?
Well, we see a lot of things. We obviously see a lot of inflammatory types of problems, and we see a lot of joint space problems as well. But with what we've got, we actually work with what we've got in a fairly confined way, so our whole idea is to get them out performing as best they possibly can next day.
Excellent.